welcome back to Camas Classics. We're bringing you another car show here from Camas, Utah, our hometown. It's our Camas Valley Fiesta Day celebrating the statehood of Utah. 24th of July weekend. It's currently the 21st, but we're here. We brought our car. We did participate in the parade last night. We'll throw a little footage in there of that, but
flashback.
Camas Valley Scout Troop One. The very first Scout Troop was right here in the state of Utah. Our troop regularly goes camping, rock climbing, rappelling. Nice guy. Next we have Larry's Concrete Pumping. Vote for Larry. Larry's Concrete Pumping has been in business since
the following day.
we'll go ahead and show you some of these cars. So right here we've got an El Camino. This particular one's 1977. So if you've seen our other car show videos, you know we kind of like the unique and odd. This one is a 1958 Nash Metropolitan. Got a nice little display. Well, these are just neat little cars. So we have another unique one here, 1962 Dodge Polara.
You see with the kids, you see how we're doing this, so we go 2 minutes, 2 minutes, time is started, and ready, set up, go.
And it is a 426.
We got the left camera down through. Everybody's not happy. We're right in the field.
Really neat little car. So this one's a really neat one, 48 Oldsmobile. You don't see a whole lot of them, and I really want to show you the hood ornament on this one. We'll take a look here first.
Noel's on number 2. Janice, you're on number 2. You just burned 55 seconds, so you have a minute and 5 seconds left. 5, you guys go for
We'll just jump right over here because there's another neat one here, a 57 Ford.
All right, look at that. We're
station wagon.
bringing out more ice cream for a minute. 45 seconds, 45 seconds left.
Love the pinstriping, nice little, station wagon. You just don't see a lot of the Fords. And then we'll jump over here, 1951 Ford F100. Done in the rat rod style.
That's how I do it. And I bought that
And it's on air ride. Okay, we have to show you this one. It's a very beautiful car, 33 Ford.
I know how you're going to work that off, but man, I got to tell you, that was great. You did good. Yeah, you did, man. That was awesome. Russ, we got a prize for you, man. Congratulations.
383 stroker. Suicide doors. Beautiful interior.
Elvis time. Elvis time. Time to slow things down a little bit. Russ, congratulations.
Just an overall beautiful car. Okay, so we'll show you this one. It's a 69 GMC truck. Nice Vortec engine. Fancy wood bed. Now this is the not natural patina. They did make it look that way. So if you've never seen that, it's kind of a unique process. Paint it, sand it to get the look of original vehicle. So this one's one of our friends. It's a 1937 Plymouth with a Corvette engine in it. Or a 49. It's actually a 49. Beautiful ostrich interior. He handmade this banjo.
Tell you, it's really good ice cream. Mine's got a bite missing out of it.
So again, small town, so we know a lot of the people. This one, another one of our friends' cars. It's a 1965 GTO.
No more free ice cream.
It is a convertible. This one's kind of for our off-road friends. It's a 1972 Chevy K5 Blazer.
You only live once. Eat ice cream.
I have another neat one here. It's a 1952 Chevy. I believe it's an Impala, looking at the hood ornament.
Yeah, I give gentlemen sometimes when I know that you've got something you can. Now does the list get done by the time I get home from work?
Sure, we have 1952 Chevy pickup.
Look at their face.
Really nice truck. Here's a 1970 Chevrolet truck. Really well done. But if you look right here, it looks like it has about a 9-foot bed on it. Hey, so we kind of found Ford Row. Here's a 1932. Love the color. That is painted on there. And we have a 1927. I always thought I wanted one of these. We had a friend that had a pickup truck similar to this. I couldn't fit, so that kind of ended that hope. 1930. Beautiful roses in the seat. Hey, so we're back from the car show, just enjoying some shade. Nice view of the scenery, nice mountains. We did have a good time. We didn't win any awards, but that's fine. We had a good time. A lot of people commented and liked our car. A lot of people like Slothy and Gizmo. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.